Hello traders, what's going on? It's been a while. I stopped creating these Babypips tutorial videos, and I just think we should be able to start something and complete it and also make progress, right? So with regards to Babypips, I am back. So what are we doing today? We are now on graduation. We are almost done with our course, okay? So earlier on, we've considered the most common trading mistakes new traders make. Forex trading scams. Personality quizzes is the next one. That's 11.3. okay, and then we've got our graduation speech. Okay, so let's dive right into it as quickly and as soon as possible. Let's get this done with. So 11.3 personality quizzes, we'll have all this quiz under 11.3. So here we are on the very first quiz, which says which trading style is best for you. Now we have a scalper, we have day traders, we have swing traders, and we have position traders. Okay, so what you have to do is come down here and say start quiz, right? So going through this, I've done this before. I just don't want to record it because it will be too long. I don't want to bore you. It's interesting anyway. It's not boring, it's interesting. So I found out before now I have been day trading. Here where I am, I have been day trading. So but from taking the quiz, I found out that I am best a swing trader. I best swing trade. That's what I found out after the quiz. So I've taken my own quiz. So you have to go and take your own quiz by clicking start quiz, and then you find out which kind of trader are you. They're going to ask you a lot of questions and all that. Let's just click them. These are some of the questions, and there are 15 questions in total of all of them. And then at the end of the quiz, the answer will tell you the kind of trader you should be, either a day trader or a swing trader. So the next question, the next quiz we are going to take, I'll be giving you my own personal answers, right? So the next quiz is which currencies should you trade? Okay, so there are a lot of currencies, AUD, USD, GBP, USD, and all those. Okay, so you start the quiz and you answer the questions. From your answers, from the answers at the end of the day, to tell you the kind of currencies that you should be trading. And I did mine. At the end of the day, I was told that I better do this. I better trade these currencies. $. That's what I was told. Okay, so and then after that, I got here quiz number 3, which says what is your level of trading experience. And in this level of trading experience, they will also ask you several questions. Are you an expert trader? Are you a newbie? And all that. So I did my quiz, and after doing my quiz, I was told I am not a newbie or novice. No, this is not me. I am not an expert yet. No, not yet. But I am a middle professional trader. I'm at the midpoint. Okay, and they said I should just work on myself a little bit and I'll transition to this place, expert. So that is my own answer. I'm giving you the honest answer. Of course, I'm not an expert forex trader. I do take trades. I win, I lose, which everybody does. There's nothing different. This is my AUD trade. The first videos I started creating for this tutorial, I talked a lot about this trade, but I mean the video didn't go well, so I just didn't bother to record it again. This trade, I was here but I closed out. And so I'm just gonna leave that place. And then I was in this trade as well, but it's going so this is another trade I took. It's still going my direction right now. Anyway, so gold and silver, I didn't. Why is silver first? It seems that silver first reacts before gold, because silver in this 1 hour candle is pushing up. Gold in this 1 hour candle is still about to close. So what's going on? I keep learning every day, you know, find out new things. And I got into this market as well. I closed it out. Oh my goodness. So it is what it is. And this is Euro USD. Well, this is just my trades that are running right now, and I'm not touching any one of these until they get to. I'll put this TP here. Put that TP there, right there, somewhere here. Maybe tomorrow to smash TP. So as a swing trader, I'm not worried. I just have to let it be and let it ride. Okay, so let's go to the next question that says, what is your trading style? Discretionary, mechanical, or both? So some forex traders live and die by technical indicators, while others couldn't care less about them. You know, some rely heavily on fundamentals or technical analysis, while some like to let robots trade for them. I hate robots. So I rely heavily on fundamental and technical analysis. And after the tests, I was told I am not a discretionary trader, I'm not a hybrid trader, but I'm a mechanical trader that do best while using this and this, and if I should apply something they told me, a little bit of this indicators. In fact, they call it technical indicators, which is also here. Right now, I don't live and die by this. What I actually do when it comes to the market, forex trading market, like, let me tell you what I do. Let's say I come to a fresh market, for instance. Let me pick anything random. Forex, I've looked at this today, I've looked at this, e.g. I haven't looked at this today, so let's use this, okay? And I'll change my colors, my background. Okay, now I'm in the market, right? I will never come to indicators and say, oh, what is this? Where are the indicators? I don't even know where they are. I don't even know where they are, right? Okay, I don't use indicators. So what I do, I just look at the levels in the market. Oh my goodness, this is pushing so hard. I just look at levels in the market. Where are we going to right now? I think I'll have to trade this pair as from next week. So this is Euro GBP, right? British pound. So what I'm going to do, if I want to trade this, I'll look at the highs and the lows. Okay, mind you, this is a weekly time frame, and I am a swing trader, not a day trader, not a scalper. Okay, swing trader. And this is the push, the lower high of this push. Okay, and this is the low of this push. Okay, and this is the highs of this push. Okay. It doesn't matter to me, those levels, right? What really matters to me right now is where the price of the market is going to. And I can see that price dropped, low, lower, high, low, lower, high, lower, high, double bottom, low, lower, high, triple bottom, quadruple bottom. Okay, I mean quadruple top rather, lower, high, lower, low, right? This is the weekly time frame. And then it made another lower high, low, failed to create a new low, pushed up, created a new high with some wicks, rejected, came back down to this low, made a double bottom, and price pushed up, lower high, higher high, higher low, high, higher low, high, higher low, and something happened. Price ran to this level here. Immediately it got here, the sellers are in the market waiting, and they push price back down, and they bounce price to this point. And what have we seen? Price has been pushing. And now if you look, if you draw something like this, you see this has been rising, you know, going up on a rising channel. Where is it going to? To this level here, right? To this level here. So as a swing trader, someone who takes trades and just let it ride for weeks, what I want to do, if I actually want to take this trade right now, I will just come look at this level here. This is 87.18. Okay, that's a level, and I'll come here and I'll say sell limits 87.18, place, and I'll go and sleep, do something else with my life. Whenever price gets here, I get filled in. Will price leave there immediately? No. But will it eventually leave it? Yes. Why? Because on the higher time frame, which I am trading off of, okay, higher time frame which I'm trading off of, price has been trying to break this level for weeks, even if not years. It hasn't been able to break it. 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, price has been rejected in these highs. Okay, it has been bouncing up, boom, 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 but all that. And finally, in one of the years, 2020, price broke it. This is the monthly time frame, right? Monthly candles. Every candle you see here takes 30 days to form. 30 good days. Okay, that's the beauty of the higher time frame, and I love it. I thought I was a day trader, but from my analysis, from the quiz I took, what is it called, a swing trader. So I'm trying to position myself as a swing trader and take swing trade position. So what is this? What am I saying? I'm saying low, lower high, low, lower high, low, low, low. Okay, now this is the earliest form of the lower high. This is the second time price has gotten here. It was dropped down tremendously as well. Now if I want to trade, okay, price is pushing up and this candle has burned to 50%. Okay, I can enter a position here to say come to this place and close out, but I don't want to. Okay, I just want to take the direction of the market. I want what am I seeing? It's just low. That's it. That's what I'm saying. So this is what I'm going to take. So that's why I place this position here. It might take another how many months or how many days, I don't know. But whenever I get here, fill me in. That's what I'm saying. So when it comes to the weekly time frame, what do we see? Price is still pushing up. So when you come to the daily time frame, what do you see? Price is still trying to push up. In fact, this is the previous high that was broken, and when this high was broken, price tried to come back down. It did came back down. Okay, picked up some liquidity, and what do you see? Price is trying to push back up, and that is exactly what it's doing. So in the 4-hour time frame, look at what it's doing. It's pushing back up, highly pushing back up. And like I said the other time, I can take a buy position here, 8,555, and I'll just let it be. 8,555, 1, 2, 3. Just let it be. Whenever price comes back down here, it might bounce up again, to this level before it closes. So that is how you trade the higher time frames. As a swing trader, you don't care. You just take your positions and you let it do what it has to do. Okay, so let's go back to our quiz. And when you say technical indicators, that's what I do. I usually don't go to use the ATR, the Bollinger Bands and all that. I don't. But right now, since I've been told I'm a mechanical trader, kind of person I am, I'm going to fathom, some of those indicators I was suggested to use, go to fathom them into my trade, and that will just help me eliminate, the little doubt I am having and build more faith. Okay, so do this quiz. Okay, guys, do your quiz. Come back down and start quiz. Take all these tests. Do it. Okay. Now the next quiz is what kind of mechanical system suits your personality? I like trading the trend following, mean, and all that. Okay, and once, have I taken this one? Have I taken the squeeze? No, I haven't taken the squeeze. So let me take the squeeze. I'm going to pause it right now. I'm not sure you want to go through the process of taking the squeeze with me. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and take my quiz, and once I finish my quiz, I'm going to come back to give you the results. Okay, so I'm going to pause right now. Or let's just, okay, we'll have 15 questions. Let's do 1 to 2, and then I will pause and finish it up. So it says, if you had to choose just one set of indicators to use for the rest of your trading career, which of the following would you pick? Moving averages and moving average convergence divergence, the parabolic SAR, the relative strength index, and the stochastic. I'd rather go with moving averages and moving average convergence divergence. Yeah, I know that. When holding on to a winning trade for more than a day, these are the thoughts that run through your mind. Yes, it looks like the move is overdone. I should lock in my profit right now. It seems like the move is headed my way. I'll hold on till my profit target, even though it's still far away. Well, sometimes I like to lock in my trades lock in positions right away. Maybe I have to improve or improvise that, or maybe I'll just say, let me hold on to my position until target hits. I think as a swing trader, this is what I should do. Yep. All right, let me pause this video so that this video will not be too long, and then I'll come back and I'll give you the answer to my results, my quiz. Hello guys, welcome back. So I've done the quiz and here is my results. You should trade a trend following system. That's my own personal results. Okay, so and I love that. I think that's my personality most. So let's move to the next quiz that says, what is your attitude towards risk? Okay, more often than not, your attitude towards risk is crucial to determining the success of your forex trading endeavor. This could help you find out which trading style is best for you, what kind of system you should use, appropriate trade management techniques, how you can improve your trading in general. Are you a gambler, a neurotic, or just a conscientious person? I think I am just a conscientious person. Okay, so take this quiz to find out who you are. All right. Let's start the quiz. I'm not sure you also want to go through this. It's got 15 questions. I'm going to pause, and after taking like 1, 2, complete the whole quiz, I'll get back to you guys. So which of the following statements can you relate to the most? Trading small positions and periods of low volatility bore me. I like trading with a fixed set of rules that tells me what to do. I trade based on gut feel. No, I don't do this. Trading small positions and periods of low volatility bore me. That is true. Small position size, there's no movement in the market. You're just wasting time. I like trading with a fixed set of rules that tells me what to do. Is that really how I like trading? But I know I don't like trading low volatility markets. So let me go with my answer. I like trading with a fixed set of rules, that tells me what to do. Exactly. Then the next question says, you are at a horse race and are about to place a bet. How do you pick which one to put your money on? The horse with the best track record. If it has won before, if it is likely to win again, right? Who cares if the potential returns aren't that big? That is true. The horse with the best name, of course, no. The horse that no one expects to win. That way, no. The horse with the best track record. If it has won before, if it is likely to win again, right? Yeah, who cares if the potential returns aren't that big? I don't care. So that's my answer. So I'm going to pause the video now, and once I'm done with the quiz, I'll come back and give you my own. So guys, I'm back. Done with it, with this stage, and with this quiz. It says, what is your attitude toward risk? And after the quiz, here is the answer. It says, I am a conscientious person. Okay, and it says you tend to go for a trading style that is structured and detail oriented, which is why mechanical systems could work well for you. So if you don't want to go through the 6 steps of building your own mechanical system, you can simply drop by the free forex trading systems section in our forum to find out a system that works well for you. Okay, so if I don't want to build my own, I can just drop here and find one that I can use very well. So that's what they're telling me. So let's move to the next quiz. Please do your own. Okay, I'm doing this so as to know what works best for me, and I'm very, very happy I'm doing this quiz, right? So go through the course. If you haven't gone through this Babypips course from the beginning, go through the course from the beginning. I have, over 2 years trading experience, like 2 good years over. Like I have been trading consistently, losing, winning, okay, until I got to this place, and I can look at the chart, and take a position and just, and make lots of money. Now the money I lose, they are not my own personal money. They are, okay, I've lost my own personal money anyway, but most of the times they are just profits that I give back to the market, and you get there as well, right? You get there as well. But go through this process, right? And so that you don't repeat many of the mistakes that we all are going through, like somebody myself I'm going through. So once you take this quiz, it will help you to know the kind of person you are and how to trade in a way that will give you the maximum result that you so desire. Okay, so go through it. So I'm going to go through the next quiz now, which says what kind of stop suits your trading style. So here we are on what kind of stops suits your trading style. Now we can't stress enough how important proper risk management is to succeed in forex trading. So to help keep us from losing our risk capital, we have learned in the senior year of the School of Bar Stop Losses. So, but out of the 4 kinds of stops discussed, which one do you think is best for you? So let me start my quiz, and as usual, I have 15 questions here. I'll do 1 and 2, pause this video, complete it, and then come back and give you the results. Okay, so the very first question we are going to answer is, what's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear of risk management in trading? Option A is determining at which point my trade idea will be wrong. Keeping my money tied up in a trade for a specified amount of time. I did this. This is what I did that burnt my almost $2,000 US, if not more than that. And giving my trade enough room to breathe depending on the pair I'm trading. Not losing my entire account, of course. So not losing my what is it? What comes with? Okay, so stop loss is determining where I have gone wrong, determining at which point my trade idea will be wrong. Yeah, that's my stop loss. If you get that, which means I'm wrong. Yeah, or maybe I entered too early, or I entered at the proper time. Yeah, that's it. That's my answer. What's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? Plan what I have for the day. If it's a weekday, I rush through my morning routine. If it's a weekend, I hit the snooze button. Check if I have enough money in my wallet, so I'll go. My usual morning routine: take a shower, grab a cup of coffee, read paper, brush my teeth, and should go on. Plan what I have to do for the day. Yeah. So I'll pause this video right now, and I'll come back to you once I'm done. So guys, welcome back. I finished the quiz, which says what kind of stop suits your trading style. And after the quiz, I was told short stops. Okay. It told me support and resistance are probably 2 of my favorite words in the whole wide world, which I agree. Then short stops may be just what you need. Now short stops are just stop losses below support and resistance, which means, yeah, probably my trading stop losses. So chances are you're a visual person. You believe that what you see is what you get, so you always have your eyes peeled for areas where your trades could be invalidated to set your stop. Exactly, and that's true. I just so love that I'm taking this quiz. It's helping to see and to realize more about the kind of person I really am, right? So yeah, I'll definitely be doing this. So let's move to the next. Oh, okay, this is the last topic to discuss for this lesson 11.3. What kind of stuff suits your trading style? Okay, next we'll be doing graduation speech, which will bring us to the end of Babypips in all. So this is how we come to the end of lesson 3. I will see you in lesson course 11.4. So my friends, if you like what I've been doing so far, this review, please smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in lesson 11.4 graduation speech.